in life comes a moment when you need to make an upgrade for your back. You change your phone, your cables, change a lot of other things in your house, but you never think on your back before 30 years. I have 32 now, and yeah, I work from home a lot of the time, and I have this table from here for about 15 years. Was good, not gonna lie, but it's just a table. But with today's technology and with our sponsor from today, which is Maidesite, as you can clearly see on my t-shirt, we have this video to be possible because of them. Maidesite is one of the best company, if not the best company, that makes these tables, so they don't make anything else than tables, which is really good because you will have a professional company that has just this niche to be perfect for your needs. And I hear about Maidesite a couple of years ago, I think 4 years, and I was so interested in their legs that can raise up and down to let you work from an upper position, not staying all the time 9 hours or something on your chair all the time. So that's why I need to make an upgrade. That being said, let's mount right now the beast. Maybe not the beast, but you get a point. Will take some space, but I need space, to be honest. My table from now it's really full, and I don't like that. So let's change it right now. We have here both boxes, and I will start with the tabletop. Let's see how much time at the end will take this assembly of the desk. Let's start the speed up process right now. This is the tabletop. I flip up and I discovered something really interesting, that this has some screws inside of the table, which is unbelievable, because this took me like forever to mount this table without this tabletop. So again, I highly recommend you to get these legs from Maidesite with their tabletops, because you have everything you need in place for the legs to mount it. As you can see, I have everything set up from Maidesite, and this was really easy, and I enjoy it, even if it's taking so long, because I'm just alone, and I did that screws one by one with the hand. I enjoy every single moment of this DIY process. Here I mounted the controller, and I go for the rolls, because I want to move the desk all over the place, and this is it. This is the entire mount, but also I want to show you that I have an automatic screwdriver and I mount also this shelf to make much more space on my desk. It looks amazing, everything is perfect, and I could fit also this shelf here easily because of Maidesite product. This is really impressive table, and I enjoy it so much. Now because I'm just alone, I need to lift it up. Don't try this at home because it's not okay. This is the before, and this is after, when I just try to chill on my new table from Maidesite, and this is just perfect. Now my back is happy, and you should check Maidesite products because are so good. Cap down, I cannot keep it anymore on my head because I need to share some respect for this company. From the DIY process to the actual use of this product, I'm really impressed. I like it so much. I'm 100% transparent here on my channel, as you know me. When I get a product to review it, I will say also the downside of that product. In this case, I found nothing. No cons, because this is perfect. From the package, the DIY process was really smooth. I was able to mount this desk just by myself in just 1 hour, which is unbelievable, because I use the manual screwdriver. Not all of us owns an automatic screwdriver. I have one, and I know that you can set on screw control, but I prefer to do just with the hands to show you the maximum time you can spend even with a manual screwdriver. It's unbelievable. It was super simple. Everything was so smooth. You have all the instructions that you need. As always, at the end of my sponsored videos, I like to share some ideas with the sponsor. In this case, it's Maidesite. Maybe in the future you can put something in the legs to measure the weight. This will be so awesome if I can see on the screen something like, I don't know, I was thinking to have a loading bar, and if it's green, you are so safe with your kilos. If it's orange, you are on the middle side, and maybe you cannot put too much things on the table because of the maximum capacity. And if it's red, you know that you should take something off from the table. I hope this will help, and it's not hard to implement. For sure, nobody thinks about this until now, so I was right here to share with you. Maybe you will implement this and will help your company even more. And second, which I feel like it's missing from this table, but it's not a cons, of course, because a table should be a table and that's it. So maybe you can put, if you don't have already, I didn't check really well, but I saw on other brands, maybe you can just put some LEDs on the tabletops, because you have already the wires on the controller. So maybe you can put another cable to mount also that LEDs to the controller, and that will be really impressive for gamers, for YouTubers, for people like me. So on the tabletop, if you can make a hole on the bottom side and put there a LED strip, that will be really amazing for YouTubers, for gamers, for everyone that like LEDs as I do. And again, maybe you can put a weight measurement inside of the legs. So I share with you these two ideas for both products for the tabletop. Maybe you saw that already and you will implement anyway this LED strip thing, but I didn't see anything like what I share with you about the legs. So a measurement weight will be kind of interesting to show on the controller screen. And now I want to say the last thing about my channel, to be honest. At the end of each and every video, when I say hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and stuff like that, on each and every single video from now on, I will put my sponsors that are supporting me over the years. So Maidesite will be there. Another company that I don't want to say the name because this video is just from Maidesite and that's it, but you will see there another company that I like a lot. Just by respect that I have from Maidesite, I don't use any other company names. And this is it. This is all for today. Thanks for watching, and also thank you again Maidesite for sponsoring this video and for this amazing product, because I think this is one of the best products. And if I say one of the best, because on Maidesite website are even better products than mine, but this is it. This is the way to go. Here I just go for the stand-up position, and now my back it's really happy with this. So also my desktop PC is there with his nice red fans. Now I will go in the chair under the desk position, and this is everything for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.